Rédacteur en chef de EasyTech, le blog de ENI. En fait, on voudrait vous poser deux questions. La première, quelle est la stratégie de Google dans le partenariat avec les opérateurs télécoms marocains pour la création d'applications payantes pour les mobiles? Et la deuxième question est, est-ce que Google, à travers YouTube, prévoit une stratégie de publicité pour les annonceurs marocains sur YouTube?
Oui, d'accord. Alors, je vais vous reprendre en anglais,
It's okay.
s'il vous plaît. Right. So, with your first question, the mobile operators, right? So we're pretty excited about mobile in general in Middle East, North Africa, overall in the region, right? And when we look at the mobile penetration, the numbers are above 85% in most of the countries, and that is very exciting, especially if you compare to the rest of the world. Right? So there's a lot of penetration, and there's like a very young population here. If you think about it, 50% of the region's population is below the age of 25. And a third is below 14, right? So they're very technologically adept people. So that makes us very excited. Now we partner with the mobile operators in multiple instances, and then we talk to them. We get their ideas also on how to make our services more available here. And as you know, recently, so we launched the Google Market in the region. And right now we're talking to different entities, not only to mobile operators, but including mobile operators, on seeing how we can make the paid market applications more accessible to people. We haven't made a final decision yet because we are still collecting information. But this is an area that we're pretty excited. So we're going to do more steps, but we don't have a final solution today.
Okay.
Okay, and your second question was on YouTube, and can you repeat the question?
We want to know if YouTube, if ads on YouTube are going to be available for Moroccan announcers.
Right. So with all of our products, what we do is we first serve the user needs, the end user needs. And if you think about it, this is how search has started. We made search more relevant for people, so they started coming more, and then we put the ads after that. Right? This is no different in YouTube. We first make YouTube more relevant to the users. In fact, now, if you log into YouTube from Morocco, you see a much significantly more relevant content to you, simply because after the various tweaks that we did in local YouTube. Now, the ads are going to follow the users. So when we have a higher usage that we think, and also the demand from the advertisers, then we're going to launch the ad market. The advertisement in YouTube, and typically there's a very high correlation, and they follow each other. Right? So the key thing here is to focus to the user, right? So because at the end of the day, we don't think commercial in the short term. We think commercial in the long term. Right? So right now, our aim is to get the best content to the users, and then advertising will follow that.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Merci à vous. OK.